Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of this playlist. As you know, in this playlist we are going to see how we can create a backend server that can serve APIs or response in different formats. And till now we have created our get method, and in today's video we will see how we can create a CRUD operation in Rust application. I have provided you the demo of whatever the code we are going to use in this video. You will find this code on the website that I am pushing all the codes and documentation there. So quickly, if I want to tell you how you can access this, is just go to your browser and type code.i+t.in and hit enter. You will be landing to this page. Do one thing, just go to the courses of Rust and come to license, and next you can see this is a third, basically fourth lecture. So fourth lecture will be updated here. So in localhost, if I show you, so you can see this is a fourth lecture, lecture 4. Click on this view and you will be landing to this page. Okay, so what you will do right now, in previous video, this was the actual code that we have seen. We have shown here the get method, how we can create a get method. But in today's video, we will see how we can create a post, get, patch, and delete method. Okay, cool. So first of all, you need to import methods from Actix Web. Currently, you can see here we have imported a delete, get, patch, and post, and here we have maken our get method. Okay, cool. So what do you need to do? Just copy this method, and next you need to make this get to post, and change the base name, means the function name, because function is same. So what you will do, just make it post API, and in return we are returning the response, and here we will say post API is working. Post API is working. Okay, if I do control plus, and now we have created a function, and we need to register this function in our main function also. So for that, what we will do, we will come to our dot services, and in services we will register this function. Now we have successfully created our post method even. Now what we will do, just come to your terminal, and inside your terminal do cargo run and hit enter. This will start your server basically. Currently it's giving me warning that delete and patch method I have not used. That is fine, because we will be using it within 1 minute. Okay, so come to your browser and go to localhost 8080. Okay, and you will see a get method is perfectly working. Now to check our post method, open your API testing tool, that can be Postman or Hopstock or any other tool that you prefer to use. Come to this folder, means create a basically one request here, and I have maken it as a post method, and I am not providing any body right now, but still we are pasting it here. And this is a local host, and if I send it, we will be getting that the post API is working. Okay, that we have created our route. Now you can see here easily that we have created our post method. Next is a patch method. Okay, so same process. There is nothing so much different. We will convert our method to patch, and instead of post API we will make it patch API, and we will register let me change the message also, patch, and let's change this, means register this function in our server also. So we will do a service, and we will register our patch method. So in this way we have created our patch method also, and in the same manner let's make a delete method. So in this way we will create a delete method, and change the function name. So this will be delete API, and let's register this delete API uh, route to our server also. Okay, so for that services, and we will paste the delete API. Okay, cool. So in this manner we can create a delete API also. Currently here you will be watching like how we can get the data inside body, how we can customize the sending data and all the stuff. So but before that we will see how we can get the patch request and delete. Okay, so we will convert this put to patch. Okay, sorry, I think that was post. Okay, post to patch. And if I do on send, currently it's saying that 404, that route not found. So why is it so? Because we have created a changes in our code, but we don't have created any binary file. So what we need to do, just again we need to start the server and do here cargo run. This will build our code again, and we will be able to get our output here. So you can see our server is perfectly running, and if I again hit it, then we are getting that the patch API is working. So if I do here delete, then delete will also be working fine. So you can see we are getting for delete method also. Okay, that's cool. This was the motive of today's video that we have seen. So on the website, on the documentation that I have created the simple get API. After that we have shown post API, patch API, and delete. Okay, these are the methods of APIs. And at the below we have shown the example code in JavaScript, how we can fetch the data. This is nothing so important. Now next, here is an example of the code that we have just created. Okay, nothing so fancy here. And here at the last we have shown the some performance benefits and API architecture. Okay, cool. And after that, nothing so important. And we have you can read it, like what are the benefits: fast performance, memory safety, type safety, async runtime, middleware support, and chasing. Okay, nothing so much complicated. So the motive of today's video was to create a CRUD operation that we have seen and we have even created. So in next video we will create a production level folder structure, how our folder structure should be look like. I have created a documentation for that also. Let me show you. So we will be jumping to our lecture fifth, and here you can see we have created a folder structure, and I will be explaining you what is that, and what all will be there, and how we can match our folder structure to the production level. So yeah, that's all guys in this video. So I know there are a lot of questions you might be having. What you can do, just directly you can comment me, or you can directly jump to the website, and from there also you can contact me. Okay, so that's all guys. Hope you enjoy the video. So thank you. We will catch up you in next video with folder structure video. Okay, so thank you.